Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the live streaming presentation of new Gecko mini crane SPX650. Thank you for being virtually with us today. I'm Chiara from Gecko Marketing Department and I'll guide you throughout all the presentation today. We were supposed to present this new model at Apex exhibition in Maastricht last June, but as you know, COVID-19 completely changed all the plans. We didn't lose heart and we decided to present this new model with a live streaming presentation, so here we are today. Behind me, SPX650 is already waiting and in a few seconds we are going to unveil it. But first, just a few words to introduce the model. SPX650 has a maximum lifting capacity of 5 tons and it embodies all the latest innovations already successfully applied to SPX532 and SPX1280. It aims at further expand Gecko mini crane range, bridging the gap between SPX532 and SPX1280 in terms of maximum lifting capacity. So it's time to discover this new model. Here with me, Enrico and Andrea. Please guys, remove the clothes. Amazing. Thank you, guys. So let's have a panoramic view of the machine just as you were with us now. In the meantime, please, Enrico, take the radio remote control just to stabilize the crane. Thank you, Enrico. We prepared also a video which shows the main features of the machine. Enjoy it. Here we are back at Gecko. Now let's analyze the key points of new SPX650. Here with me, Alberto, expert sales manager.
Hi, Chiara.
Hi, Alberto. So can you tell us why SPX650? What lies behind the decision of developing and proposing this kind of model?
The idea, Chiara, behind the new 650 arrived, as always, from the market. Our dealers, our customer, were looking for a medium-sized mini crane. Medium-sized mini crane with a length of the boom over 20 meters, with a very good lifting capacity. People were looking for a crane that can work indoor and outdoor as well, that can be used in many different job sites. For example, for installing the glass, installing the curtain walls, doing steel erections, doing the industrial maintenance. So we have analyzed very well what the competitors are doing, what they're offering in the market. We're looking at our range, and the result is the new SPX650, that with a 5 tons lifting capacity and the length of the boom that can allow to work at 23 meters and a half maximum height. And especially with the very compact dimensions, consider that the crane, when it's completely folded, is 4 meter length, 2 meter high, and less than 1 meter, allow the Gecko to be a perfect crane for this kind of range of products.
Okay, and Alberto, how does SPX650 meet the market needs?
So thanks to the experience we got in the last 2 years with the new SPX532 and the new SPX1280, that are both bestseller crane in our product range, we took the best features from both these cranes. From the SPX532, we took not only the design, but even the jib. The jib is stored under the main boom. From the 1280, we took the X-pattern outrigger system and the extendable trucks that allow the SPX650 to work with pick and carry mode. What is in common with all these cranes is the electronics, the hydraulics, so components and procedures are exactly the same. This is a very big advantage, not only for our Gecko after-sales department, but even for our dealers after-sales department, and in consequence, even for our end user, for the Gecko end users. Last but not least, and this is a very important part, and show how Gecko is quite sensible in environmental issues, is that we have developed a new 48-volt lithium battery. So this is how Gecko will meet the market needs.
Okay, Alberto, just one last question for you. What are the sales targets for SPX650?
So Gecko has invested a lot in the last 12 months in developing the new mini crane. Considering the potential of the market, our sales target is around 15–20% of the total Gecko turnover for the next year.
Thank you very much, Alberto. Now let's analyze some technical features of the machine. And here with me, there's Marco, Gecko R&D Technical Director. Welcome, Marco. What can you tell us about the hydraulic system of SPX650?
Well, the semi-hydraulic and control system of the SPX532 and 1280 has been implemented on the SPX650. The heart is a load-sensing piston pump driven by our own power management control. This can guarantee the operator all the crane power, speed and control he needs with the minimum consumption required. All the valve banks are fully proportional and compensated with dedicated spools for each movement to match the best performance.
Okay, Marco, and what about the power supply?
The SPX650 gets its power from a custom-designed 48-volt lithium battery pack with a capacity of 400 amps-hour. A new cell provides more energy within the same volume and still performs 80% of the rated capacity after 2000 cycles. No maintenance is required and they can last for all the crane life. A motor controller transferred the power from the battery to a 16 kilowatts three-phase electrical motor. An onboard 220 single-phase charger allows to work and charge at the same time, meanwhile a 400 three-phase is available as option.
Okay, and can you describe us the stabilization system of new SPX650?
The SPX650 has the typical cross-stabilization system of all Jacko cranes. We are fully committed to this solution as we believe it is the more flexible for the confined areas, that is where our cranes are requested to work to. For the first time, a double extension outrigger has been designed to be even more compact and allow outstanding outreach. A proportional sensor system can calculate the stability area and give the operator the best chart in any condition.
Just a last question, Marco. What are the main features of the boom of SPX650?
Well, a new section of boom has been introduced with this crane. 6 bands in the lower part hand make it almost round. With this shape, we look for spreading the load between each section and reduce the wear and the gap on the slide pads. The operator will appreciate a more precise telescopic function. The telescope is powered by the qualified Jacko system made of a single cylinder and multiple chains. It is fully proportional and continuous with no stop between each section.
Thank you very much, Marco. Okay, so here we are at the end of this presentation, but before leaving you, I would like to ask Mr. Diego Tomasella, Jacko CEO, a final comment.
From the presentation of SPX650, you can understand that Jacko keeps investing in R&D. Our branch name JIC, Jacko Innovation Center, has been founded with a specific aim of creating new products and solutions to meet the market needs. Today, we have a wide range of competence inside our R&D department because we want to stay on the edge with the best technology available. In a continuous process of improvement, our engineers search every day a better solution, a smarter idea, a safer way to support our customers in their daily job. As many of our customers know, we are located in an awesome place midway between the Adriatic Sea and the Prealps in the northeast of Italy. We are proud to be Italian, to use our peculiar creativity that can allow us to create not only product fit for purpose, but also recognizable for the typical Italian design. We believe that a mini crane can be not only useful, but also beautiful. 2020 has been a strange period for all of us due to the COVID-19 emergency heavy restriction. 2020 is also the 20th year of Jacko. At this age, a human being is not a young boy anymore, but is becoming an adult. Jacko has grown in many different directions, has become bigger in terms of numbers, and still wants to invest and look forward with trust in his own abilities. We are conscious that in the near future we will have to face a turbulent period, and this is the reason why we are investing in our team, creating a greater confidence and a team spirit. We are sure that this investment will allow us to be on the side of our partner and customer, much more than in the past. We want not only to provide products, but also to support them during all the product life. We search for reliability, and at the same time we invest in all the new tools to be near you, from remote monitoring to webinar to any other devices that could be necessary to use. To develop a new product like the SPX650 is always an hard job. The lockdown has made it even harder, so I want to say thank you to all my staff. It was a pleasure and a great satisfaction to see my team at work from the moment we shared the first draft to the moment we made the first test with the prototype. I wish the market will give them the success they deserve.
Thank you, Diego, for your words. So we hope you could have the chance to discover new SPX650, even if only through a screen. This presentation will remain available on our social media channels and also on our website, where soon there will be also some material for download. Thank you for watching and for participating in this presentation. See you soon.